Hello, my Python scholars. This is the Sweet 16 week of school. Glad to be back. When you go into Schoology, you will find this red folder. And let me just make sure you can see that. You will see this red folder that says Week 16, Sweet 16. And yeah, I got a little bit excited there. But what you will do, you will click in here and you will see the lesson overview. Last week, Thursday, you received your sandbox project for loops and function. It's an art generated by using loops and functions. You do have slides that are available here, which I'm going to share and show in just a moment. Your due now, if you missed it, is there. Also, the note catcher. It is a paper version that was given to you previously, but if you want to do it digitally, go right ahead. And you have your exit ticket here, and you have your assignment submission with the criteria. So you were supposed to submit the link, and you're supposed to screenshot your final project. Remember to have these items in there. This is your checklist. And this is what it all looks like here. So if you go to the slides, which I have shared with you, you will see all of the instructions, even a little question of the day that we have each day. And it's a Sweet 16 motivational minute. I also will have this printout just in case if you need the guidance for lesson 2.16, which is the if statements, 2.17, which is if and else statements, and then lesson 2.18, which is the while loops, and then obviously your sandbox loops function project. Again, just so you can see what the sandbox checklist is. We have it here, all there, ready for you. So when you get into your CodeHS, and I just wanted to let you see how to actually get started on this. So this is your sandbox. So you would click here. After you have clicked the sandbox, you will get to this page. So I have actually started a couple of samples, but before I do that, I am going to, so this is your sandbox project, and you can call it maybe art generated. And you're going to click create the program. Click it there. Now it's going to pop up a couple of different programming languages. You want to make sure that you click Python Turtle, which is right here. And you can see by looking at the icon of Python, you're in the right place. Now, after you have clicked that, make sure you click at the Create program, which is down here. It's the blue button. Okay. And then once you click it, it automatically gives you the title of what you have titled your sandbox project. And you want to make sure it already comes with preset coding. So I want to get you to the docs. If you go to the docs, just here, So you click that, the docs, and you can go to the documentation. Remember, we're working on loops and functions. So let's go to the loops. So we're looking for a for loop. And here, when you're using for loops, you want to repeat something that is a fixed number of times. So as you see this, instead of repeating this over and over again, you can see what is being repeated. We have 410 left 90, 410 left 90, and we have it here 4 different times. So if you look here, it's repeated. And remember, you want to make sure that you are commenting. It is definitely a part of the rubric, and I will get back to that rubric, let you see that. So for I in range 4, so that means it's going to move forward 10 times, 4 times, and left 90, and this is in degrees, left 90 degrees 4 times. And again, you want to make sure that you can certainly use these documents that we like to call them, and they're more like um, sheets of support. And this is everything that you need to have completed for this week, which is December 8th for this week. Again, you have your overview, you have the lesson slides available to you, your due now, which is connected to the buzzword terms. So if you have any other questions, feel free to reach out and I would love to hear from you. Good luck.